my Shiraz mystery, let's get started. Hi everyone, I've been looking at a few free apps for the Parsi Irani Zoroastrians for my Android. There are 6 in total within this list of apps. Please note that this review has been completed on my Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus phone, and I'm sure there will be the same as seen on your Apple device too. Here is my review of them. Firstly, we have 101 Names of Dadar Hormuz. This app was created by Sunil Jain in January 2012. The idea of this app is simple. It lists the 101 names and their meanings of Dadar Hormuz. Here is a sample of the app. The next app that I had a quick look at is Aapro. I downloaded the app from the Google Play Store and installed it as normal. I did read a few reviews on the Play Store where people mentioned that this app linking to your Facebook account. Some understandably are not happy to log in with Facebook, and this is where I too stand. And after the recent issues with Facebook, I am not prepared to go further with this app. It has the clause will not publish anything to Facebook. The Parsi Calendar app has been around for some time now, and I've used it on and off when needed. I would say it is one of the better apps for the ZYNG calendar. I like the idea of being able to change the date and time if you are searching for a specific date, not today as is the default. A little disappointing that it was last updated on the 20th of July 2012. Whilst talking about Zoroastrian calendars, here is a link to the website Zoroastrian Calendar Services. The Parsee Portal is the next app I'm going to look at. This app was created recently by a team of computer science engineers from Mumbai University. As the name suggests, this app connects you to a calendar, events, yellow pages, prayers, Udvada, and Parsi times. At first glance, this app seemed to show only the first 3 items mentioned previously. On further scrolling down, the other sections appear. Do check it out as it is a good starting point for your needs. Similarly to what we just saw, the Parsi Directory is a good app that has different sections such as resources, news, emergency contacts, etc. This is not an app that I've used regularly and I would need to investigate it further. However, it does look promising. The next app I used to have was known as ZYNG, but currently it is not on my device. ZYNG stands for Zoroastrian Youth for the Next Generation. It had been very active a few years ago, however the group does not seem to be so active now. They have a Facebook page and also a website. Whilst doing the research for various Zoroastrian apps for my Android device, I came across another app that I shall mention here. The Blessings of Prophet Zoroaster is also a good app to look into. So that's a wrap for these Zoroastrian Android apps. Do you have a favorite? Do you have one that has not been mentioned here? Please write them in the comments below. Hey, watching, and see you in the next video. Don't subscribe, like and share this video. I'd like to hear your comments below.